Today we're going to talk about something that I think trips up so many traders. Okay, there's so much information, there's so many criteria out there, but I want to tell you a key technique that you should really be focusing on. Hey everyone, Lead Trainer with Stocks and Trade, Tim Bowen here. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to alert. We put out several videos a week as well as live videos. Lots of times I go live, sharing my screen, breaking down the hot stock of the day, potential entries and exits, how to run scans. I want you to be notified as soon as those videos hit, so ring that bell. Last thing is, drop a question below. What are the things that are tripping up your trading? I want to cater these videos to answer all of your questions. So what's something you're dealing with that's tripping up your trading currently? Drop me that comment below. I'm going to go into one of my favorite terms that I talk about in Stocks and Trade Pro all the time, and that is the KISS acronym. Keep it simple, stupid. Many of you have probably heard this in many situations, and I think it is very, very applicable in trading. I mean, there are so many indicators. I mean, you've got MACD, RSI, VWAP, Ikamocho Cloud. I mean, there's probably literally thousands of technical indicators out there. There's multiple time frames on a chart. You could be looking at a 1-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, a 5-year chart, a 20-year chart. You could be overlaying all of these different things into your trading, and I think that is one of the biggest things that trips up so many traders, even intermediate and advanced. When you try and overlay all these technical indicators, all of these things, all of these tidbits of information. I mean, something about the stock market that's exciting but also trips people up. There's no lack of information. I mean, bring up your news feed. You'll have hundreds of news articles a day. You could, again, I joke, and maybe I'll have the video guy drop in a funny chart right here of these charts with thousands of technical indicators. You can't even see the stock price because they've overlaid everything. You can't trade like that, and it creates analysis paralysis, where you don't know what to do because now you've dumped so much information into that bucket, you can't pull anything out of it. So what I want you to do, focus on the minimal amount of information, okay? Write these things down. These are tips I want you to write down. I want you looking at a 1-year, 1-day chart for the big picture. We call that the LT chart, the long-term chart. Then I want you intraday, looking at a 1-day, 5-minute chart. Going back to KISS, keep it simple, stupid. A lot of traders, I think, look at a 1-minute chart and there's more fluctuations, there's more ticks, they get confused. They get that analysis paralysis and they get trapped and they don't know what to do. 1 year, 1 day, 1 day, 5-minute. Then keep your technical indicators to a minimum. Really, bare minimum and preferred would be just have VWAP, okay? Check out our other videos. We talk about VWAP a lot, why it's important, but most of the times if I talk to a new trader and they got more than just VWAP on their chart, I'm like, get all that stuff out of there. Dial back, keep it simple. Next, I want you to be looking at the news, but this is something that you might shock you. Don't let the news, the headline, etc. overlay what the chart is telling you, or override what the chart is telling you, I should say. Remember, stocks can have good news. They can have good earnings and go down. Only price pays. If you're looking at a chart and it's steadily uptrending through the day, it's breaking out on the 1-year chart, and it's got news and you're like, wow, this is a great potential trade, you buy it and it immediately drops. Happens to all of us. Don't sit there and reread that news article and be like, what, but the news is. The price is telling you that this stock is has now failed to break out, and the idea is dead. So don't fall in love with the news or the fundamentals. You might say they got cash. You might say they have all these things going for them. Only price pays. So those are the things I want to focus on. The chart, VWAP, 1 year, 1 day, 1 day, 5 minute. Those are the things that really at the end of the day, you should only be looking at. Avoid all of those technical indicators. Keep it simple and avoid analysis by paralysis. So let me know below, what technical indicators do you run on your chart? Are you just using VWAP or do you have a bunch more? And if you've got a bunch more, what are they? I would love to see what you guys are running on your charts. Maybe I'll test them out, but I'll probably just go back to VWAP. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out Stocks to Trade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.